Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Mean, median, and mode are the three primary metrics for assessing central tendency. Each of them provides a distinct indication of a typical value, and depending on the situation, some measures are more appropriate to use than others. First, we need to understand what is mean, median, and mode. 1. Mean. Mean is the average, where we find the total of all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. 2. Median. While the median is the middle value in the list of numbers. 3. Mode. Mode is the value that occurs most often in the given set of data. In this video, we will show you how to find the mean, median, and mode on Excel. Let's begin. The average of a set of numbers is referred to as the arithmetic mean, and it is calculated by adding all the numbers in the data set and then dividing by the count of the actual numbers in the data set. Firstly, write equal, then average, choose open bracket. Click on the data cell and drag down and close the brackets, and then press enter. Finally, you will see the following result for the mean value. Okay, now calculate median. The median describes the value which is at the center of the dataset. Basically, half the numbers are greater than the median and the other half are less than the median. Okay, first write equals, then choose median, open bracket, the click on dataset and drag down, and then close the bracket, and press enter. As a result, you will observe the final outcome of the median value here. The mode describes the value which occurs most often in a specific dataset. If you use the equals mode function instead, it will only return the first mode. For this dataset, only the one value would be returned. For this reason, it's always a good idea to use the equals mode. Mult function in case there happens to be more than one mode in the dataset. So, write equal, then mode.mult, then open bracket. Click on dataset and drag down, close bracket. After that, press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter from the keyboard. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.